ओम सर्वदर्शनाय नमः। साक्षात् अपरोक्षात् ब्रह्म विनयवान्यप्रसादेन पूर्ण सर्वगुणात्मकं पश्यन्ननुभवत्येव स्वरूपं केशवः प्रभुः। पश्यत्यव्यवधानेन सर्वं चान्यज्जडाजडं साक्षादेवापरोक्षात् स विष्णुरेव ततस्मृतः। As this shloka from Brihadaranyaka Upanishad and Brihadaranyaka Upanishad Bhashya explain, the Lord is called Sarvadarshana because he can see everything at any place, any time, and himself. He can see the things with no interruption, with nobody's blessings. He can see everything including himself on his own. Undoubtedly, all of us cannot know everything, but definitely all of us can know all that we are supposed to know. Only Chaturmukha Brahma can know everything in this universe, as it is said in Anuvyakhana. Tatrakhilasya vidyaptihi samyak brahmana eva hi tadanyesham yatha yogam akhila jnaptirishyate. This complete knowledge can be gained by every seeker if the God is meditated upon as Sarvadarshana. Every seeker has to try to get his complete knowledge, because let alone God, even a smallest thing of this universe cannot be understood completely without our own complete knowledge. As it is said in Gita Bhashya, ekam cha tattvato vettum vina sarvajnatam naraha na samartho mahendropi tasmat sarvatra jijnaset. Even great heavens cannot know everything about a particular thing. So, only if a seeker gets his own complete knowledge, he can understand both material and spiritual things up to his capacity.